Hello, welcome to IT Technology Official. Today we will discuss how to create and use Autotext in Microsoft Word. Uh, First of all, open any document and create some text like this one. You can create and use Autotext. Go to Insert menu and then go to Quick Parts. Quick parts are those parts which we use for write anything quickly or perform any action quickly. In quick parts you can see Autotext, document property, fields, building blocks and some other options. To create Autotext, first of all you need to select the text which we want to use as Autotext and then go to quick parts. After this go to save selection to quick part gallery. Here you see you need to name write any name for Autotext, and then gallery it's like it's quick parts. You can use these options as a default. You do not need to change these options. Then category like journal and others, and save and building blocks are normal. You need to select it as normal. And then options, insert content only or insert content in on paragraph or its own page. We will select insert content only. Okay, in this step we have create Autotext in Word document, and now I will tell you how we can use Autotext. Like if we want to use Autotext, here we need to type the word which we select as Autotext, like skeleton. Here you can see this is the options like skeleton. Like if I press the enter key, you will see the whole Autotext as a which we created in last step. It is shown complete the text as a Autotext. So this is the easiest way how we can create and use Autotext. In first step, first of all we have to create Autotext, and in second step we can use these text which we created as a Autotext. You can make a number of options as a Autotext, and you can use in Word very easily. Friends, this is all about this our topic. I hope you understand all the procedure. If you are facing any difficulty, you can write me in comments. Thanks. Bye.